Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a simple calculator. You can make first you will be making a script and you will developing to a GUI, graphical user interface. So now I'll open and show you the script, how it functions. So if I enter a value, it asks me to give up in 5 and 5. So it will display the output addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So what's inside it, we will open and shade. So this is the script that functions the following command. So I'm first printing the simple calculator, so it's printing and it's asking me for input because I'm using an input function, and a float, because I will be using decimal number 2, right? So I'm using float, input float, and printing that. So below output, this is the program that used to display the output. You can see that the green color is the name and white color seen in there is the output of the program. So you can so now let's go to the GUI making, how to make GUI for this this script. So I've already made a GUI, so I will show you how it looks. So this is the GUI. So I will enter a value 5 and 5. If I press calc button, it will be displaying the output. So what's inside the GUI, how to make it, let's have a look. Let's edit it. I'll open and show you how it looks. So now I'm going to make a simple calculator, getting two inputs from the user and displaying plus, minus, multiplication and division. For that we are importing the tkinter module for GUI creation. For that you are using from tkinter import, and you are importing a font also in that, root equal to tk, that defines the root of the widget. So string, you are using string variables for displaying the output results, and if calculate, this is the program that calculates all the function, addition, subtraction, etc. So you are adding the two input values, that is x1 and x2, and you are setting it under result underscore dot add dot set and add, so that will be displaying the output. So similarly you have developed for all the things. So now you are going to defining a widget for your program. So lab equal to label bracket root comma text bracket. So this is the syntax for defining a label. So you are defining it for all x1 x2 add lab. If you are adding it, then you need how to store it under some function, that is for that I'm using add answer. So similarly I'm making for subtraction, multiplication and division. Then I'm defining a calc button, so that will calculate the output. So I'm using entry, I need to get a use input from the users. For that I'm using entry bracket root. So this is the function used to get entry from the user. So I'll show you that in the application. It's taking time because I'm run on low RAM PC and old AMD processor. It's opening. Okay, wait, I'll try it once again. So yes, okay, I got it. So this is the entry widget, that entry command x equal to entry root. So that is the function for getting entry. So below I need to display a name in the GUI, right? For that I'm using x1 lab.grade in the row and then row column. So this is actually lab.grid row comma column within bracket. This is the syntax for defining it. So I'm defining x1 into this rows and columns. So I'm similarly I'm defining for user input values and additional add, subtract, multiplication and division values. So now we have displayed the name. So yeah, so now we need to display output, right? So for that we are using similar way, we are defining similarly output that x dot grade, it will be displaying getting useful for getting input, and add and start grade, that is the output we have already defined in our main program. So yeah, so this will giving you the output. So below you can find app name. For creating app name, root.vm underscore title, it will be giving you app name. Yeah, so we have made a simple calculator. I will providing a link of this if in the below in the video, and if you want to make this to a .exe file, I have already shared a tutorial regarding this, how to convert py GUI into .exe. You can watch it. Thanks for watching.